All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today I got the G35 back in the garage. So it has another exhaust leak. I just started hearing it not too long ago, so I'm gonna start it up and let y'all hear it real quick. Y'all should be able to hear it. I think it's the flex pipe, but I'm not sure, so I don't know if y'all can hear that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show y'all how to use a smoke machine to find an exhaust leak. So I got my Smoke Pro here. So all you got to do is hook this up to a power supply, which I'm going to use my jump and carry to do that. So let's get it hooked up real quick. All right, so I got the jump and carry down. I got the power and negative hooked up from the Evap machine. So I got this attachment I'm gonna put on one side of the exhaust because it's dual tip, and the other side I'm just gonna stuff it with some rags, because you don't want the smoke to be able to escape back out. You want it to push up through the exhaust. So just plug it up and make sure this tube is sitting in there. Then you want to turn on your vape. All right, so you want to turn the flow up. You can see the ball right here going up, and you'll start to see the smoke coming out. Look at that. So we're gonna put this inside the tube here. Make sure it's in there. Make sure this tube is in there. So now the smoke should be flowing through the exhaust, and I'm gonna have a little bit of smoke coming out, but majority of it is going through the exhaust pipe. So I'm thinking it's the flex pipe. So we're just gonna go up there and verify to see. All right, y'all, so I'm underneath, and initially I didn't see no smoke, but I found the crack, which is right there. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see that little. Hold on. It's a small crack, and look, actually you can see the smoke coming out right now. So sometimes it'll take a little while for that smoke to build up and the exhaust to make its way down here, but y'all can see that little small crack right there. That's a crack right there. And I just started to see the smoke come out. I don't know if y'all can see the smoke on screen, but it's definitely coming out. So yeah, so I'm gonna need a flex pipe. I don't know what I'm gonna do to what I'm gonna do. I could just cut it out maybe. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But the Evap machine definitely worked and helped me figure out where this leak is at. So yeah, so I was actually about to start spraying it with some soapy water to see if I can that'll detect the leak, but I started seeing the smoke. So I know some of you guys might not have an Evap machine, but let's turn this off. But if you don't have an Evap machine, the easy way that you can do this is if you got a like a shop vac. You could just use the exhaust side of the shop vac, and that'll create smoke, and that'll blow smoke into your exhaust the same way the Evap machine will. And you can just use soapy water to find your leak that way. So this was just a little quick video just to show you guys how you can find an exhaust leak, and you can use your Evap machine to find any type of leak that same exact way. Any system you're trying to detect, AC system, coolant system, exhaust system, any system that's supposed to be a closed system. If you put that machine on that system and you get smoke coming out of there, then you know you got a leak there. So so yeah, y'all, quick video. If y'all like the video, share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all, so some real quick bonus footage. So what I ended up doing was using some exhaust wrap that I had from an exhaust job that I did a while back. So for the meantime, I went and used that, covered that hole up. So this is the actual wrap here, and this is like the little securing strap that they give you, and then I just use some tape or whatever to hold that strap down. So it's just a quick fix. It's not secured yet because you gotta this got to get to a certain temp before it fully cures. So that's what I did for the time being until I can get a flex pipe. So let me just show you guys what I use so y'all know what maybe you guys can try out. So this is the actual stuff here. They call it heat wrap. So once you put it on, it hardens like steel. That's what they say. So it works. That's what it is. Waterproof, fast cure time, withstands 850 Fahrenheit, high temp repairs, whatever. So let me start it for y'all real quick, and yeah, I'll see what it sounds like. So like I said, it's not fully cured yet, but let's just see what it sounds like. So remember, last time it made a real noise when I started it, so see what it sounds like now. There we go. Sound much better. So right now it's not even fully cured yet. So y'all can see I don't hear no leakage. So yeah, so I'll probably just let this run for another 20-30 minutes or so, and then I'll drive it so it can get fully heated up. So yeah, maybe that's something y'all can try. Do a quick fix until you get your flex pipe or whatever piece of the exhaust that you're trying to fix. So appreciate y'all watching. Catch you on the next one.